All right, ladies and gentlemen, this 54 right here, it's an odd enhancer. This 54 right here is an odd enhancer that the Bulls are looking to. Um, they want to take over the wave. All right, so a clean break of 54, clean break of 54, then the Bulls couldn't do it. All right, and then clean break. It had to be clean, but we know that we have support at 52, right? But 54 is gonna try to stop it. All right, okay. 54 is gonna try to stop it. All right, clean break. Right, this is not a clean break. This is more chop, and then we have 52 and 48. Right, okay. So 54, right? It's not a strong, um, high probability setup for us, right? It's it's an odd enhancer that the Bulls are gonna fight this as much as possible, expecting a bounce. It just needs to find support, right? So 54 is the first hint that we're getting that that the move that we're expecting is going to be to the upside to uh, to 67. All right, so that's what we think is going to happen. All right, clean break of 54. We knew it was gonna go to 52. No clean break, so we're still watching the action. Remember that um, volatility is our best friend and choppiness is our worst enemy. Okay, and I haven't seen this chop in such a long time. All right, but we think we know what's going to happen in the future, and we're going with it. Okay, so it just changed on us, and it's okay because then now we have this new low 53 quarter. All right, so 53 quarter is now that odd enhancer. Okay, all right, so 54, right? The price just took it by what? By 3 ticks. Big deal, right? 3 ticks, right? All right. That's the best the Bears can do. All right. So we have a bullish poker face right now. It's better than the it's better than the it's a stronger than the Sammy that we had at 54. Right. So now we have two odds enhancer, 54 and this break of G 55, our 55, right? Okay. So we have two odds enhancers that the price is going to do what we said it's going to do, right? It's going to go 59, break it, continue to 67. So we're looking to make 12, 13 points on this trade. And what if, right? We're always thinking, what if, what if the Sammy and the poker face, bullish poker face, doesn't work, right? And this thing drops all the way to break 55, breaks 53. We know it's 53, 52. Now it's the same. Then we know it's gonna go to 48, right? So that's our risk. Okay. So we have to put up with this job, which is exactly what it is exactly what's going on. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're always thinking, what if, right? So if we need to change hats to bear, then target one is gonna be 48, and target two is going to be 41. 1, and now that 41, that target 2 is now a range. All right, that target 2 is now a range of 4.3741. A clean break to the downside, and we'll start looking for a good resistance, expecting the price to go to 48. Target 1, first leg 48, and the second leg 41.37. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 48. All right. Okay, so 48. Alrighty, so clean break to the downside. 48. We know that 48 is the first target for the bears, right? We change hats. Clean break of 53, right? 53, 54, right? Our Sammy. And we knew the price was gonna go to 48. So the main play now, right, is short, and we are expecting a continuation 41.37. A straight line, mistake?
Usually not.
Of course not. 48 is a predetermined pivot. It's not gonna be easy to be taken, right?
Correct.
Exactly. So 41 now, 48, it's a long, but you need to know that it's a counter trend. 48, the break was to the downside. So the main play, it's a short to 48. We knew it. We've known it since 9 a.m. And we know it's support also, right? So this is a counter trend that you are supposed to be long 48. Okay, and now we are in a what? 46, 59, 60, 60, 46 channel. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and you also know that 48 is a predetermined pivot, right? We predetermined pivot. Why? Because since 9 a.m. we knew that a break to the downside price was gonna destroy 52 and go to 48, and 48 is a predetermined pivot support, so you have to go long for two reasons. Not only is target 1 for the bear, for the down, for this pullback, but it's also a predetermined pivot. 48 long. Alrighty, okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So remember everything we talked this morning. Goldman knows that where all the stops of the weak bulls are, and we know exactly where they were gonna take it to. We have to take it as a counter trend, right? Because the main play is short. All right, well, no problem. Okay. All right, so question, is the price still going to 67? All right, that's a fair question. All right, so now we are on a whistle. All right, we are now on a whistle circle. All right, let's call it 46, 46, and 59, still 59. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna move 41. We're gonna move it to 40. All right, one point lower. Okay, 1 point lower. 41 is now. The hell did I do? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so here's 40, right? Okay. So target 1, 48, bounce, just like we expected. We change hats to bear. The downtrend are the bears to control. First leg 48. I just change target 2 from 41 to 40. All right. Remember that we have a 3 point range, 37, 40. All right. 41 was the top of the range before I moved it down. So our job is to let it ride to 40 and then 37, 3 point range. The mid range is what? 38 half, right? All right. Right. Most um, traders, and you all know this, they just don't have the capability of changing hands. They just don't have it, right? You change hats, take a small loss, right? Change hats with confidence, and right. If our system says change hats, we have a new direction, and we have new destinations and targets. Just change hats, alrighty. Market is gonna try to fool you into adding to a loser, right? So what happens? I'm gonna tell you exactly what happens, right? All those traders that got stuck, they're wishing now to, oh my God, just come back so that I can break even. As soon as they break even, they have to sell 48 and right and 40, 48 to give us another leg to 40. And on that bounce all the way back to Chief, is that 55? Let's take a look at 55. On that bounce right back to our previous support, which became absolute resistance. They got out break even, right? So they have to sell 65. We knew it long time ago, right? When we changed hands. And not only we knew direction, we know exactly where, not exactly, we think we know where the price is going to go next. And you know it. You know it very well. Only those of us who are 100% focused, those of you that are listening to me with 100% concentration, and those of you who are watching all of this action with me, right?
Right.
Only we can do it, right? Only us can do something like that. Us meaning a total professional trader.
That's right.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I believe this is 40 half, isn't it?
40 quarter.
Oh, 40 quarter?
Yep.
Oh, so I missed it by one tick then?
You haven't.
Uh, well, yeah, that's right. The morning is long, right?
Yeah.
Let me take back that word long. The morning isn't over yet, is it?
Correct.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. So I believe
40
that's
hit and then 39 half.
all right. Terrific. All right, so I believe that right that we got the high.
You got target 1 and 2 also on
Exactly. We got target 148 and the high of the range. Remember, this is a range. 3740. It's a range, okay? So we got the high of the range, which is okay. You want to get out here 40? I'm perfectly fine with it. Look at that, Mystic. 39 half. So was it okay for me to bring it down 1 point?
Yes, it was.
Okay. So this 47, like I said, it's gonna be a pain in the butt. All right, so as long as the price doesn't take this 47, which it's a perpetual line, all right, it's a setup. It's one of my setup. Then I'm expecting the price to come back down, test the low, break it, and go to the low of our 3 point range for target 2. All right, so 47 right here is very important for us. Okay, it's an odd enhancer. It's gonna give us, with this chop, not counting this break, it's gonna It could be all day. We all know that. But our job. So the smart money is gonna try to shake us out. 47, 48, 49. Right? It's gonna try to shake us out. We know 48 support became resistant, but but so in other, I am confidently expecting a a a test, a hit of 37. All right, that's what I'm saying. All right, so a little bit of a recap. We changed our target two from 41 to 40. Price goes to 39 half, 2 ticks below our target two, the high of the target two. And we all know that 40, when I change it to support, right, we are on a snake circle. Then 40, it's a counter trend long, right? So that 40 gave us a move all the way to 46, 75. We're going to call it 47. So that gave us 7 points, right? Okay, good. So we are still sure, right? This is the main place, still sure, but we're taking advantage of the fact that we knew that 40 was going to be strong enough support that we can buy it with a small position size, with the micros, if you will, and then ride it as much as possible. This is going to be chopped right here, 39, 48, right? 39, 39, 48, 9 point shot, 39, 48, 48, 39. This is going to be shot for a while. That's why a lot of traders, they already made their they already made their money on this drop from 58 right to 38. That's not bad. 20 point. It's a 20-point drop, of which you're supposed to take a good percentage, a good chunk of it, and they're done for the day. We want to make in 2 hours what most people make in 2 months, right? Start the Friday early, right? We're gonna stay. We're gonna remain, and as long as we don't, as long as we don't change hats back to bull, we're going to continue riding this move down to 37, and I'm looking for target 3 right now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, of course, price is gonna find support, right? It needs to be nicely broken for the price to continue giving us an extra 3 points for our lower level of our target two, right? 37. Okay, so we're gonna watch 37. It's target two, and right, and we're gonna pulse it out, the counter trend. We're gonna pulse it out. All right, so that's 38, 37 quarter. All right, looking good, right? All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have a 33. Okay, I have a 33 destination. Okay, so this is a destination. Okay, 33. We're gonna watch real close to 37 because I know there is a lot of bulls just expecting. They're just waiting for the price to go to 37 so that they can buy right there. Okay, at the low of our 3 point range, target two. Okay, so I'm not expecting a clean break of 37. A clean break of 37, you can count on the price continue going to our destination, 33. But I'm not. I wouldn't count on it yet, of course. All right. So let's continue watching the action. All right. So this is 37 to the tick. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that this is 37 to the tick. Right? Good. Just all we want. Just please take it and give me destination 33. Right? That's that's exactly what we are expecting, right? Okay, good. All right, 37. Took about 2 points, right? Remember what I told you a little while ago, right? So we have two type of traders: the FOMO and the cheapo. FOMOs, they're missing, they're afraid of missing out on the bounce, and El Cheapo. El Cheapo, they're gonna buy below 37, right? So we are expecting for the price to still here between 33 and 37. All right, how many points is that? That's 4 points. What's the mid range? Right here, 35, right? Okay, so El Cheapo, those traders that know the bulls, those that know that that the price is gonna continue going to 33, but they're afraid, you know. All right, so correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that's 33 quarter, right? Our destination 33. All right. So 4 points that the Bulls are gonna try to take it out, right? El Chipo just came. They saw the action. He took it. He took it. He took it. Bam! El Chipo. They waited all the way to 33 to massively buy and look at the bounce that I've been telling you about, right? Check this out. The only way that somebody can be consistently profitable day trading the S&P 500, you not only need to know exactly what the price is going to do, but how it's going to do it, because that's the only way that you're going to be able to manage your position. Look at that bounce all the way back to where? 37. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, now, right, 40, 39, 40, 40. It's our best friend now, 40. Why? We don't want the price to take 40. We want to recoil over 40, come right back down. We're gonna be chopped liver all these 33, 40, these 7 points. We know that, but as long as it doesn't clean take 40, we are expecting the price to continue going down. Test the low 33, test it, break it, and continue going to. And I'm looking for target. Now I'm looking for target 3. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we got our target 3. Goldman Sachs just called me and they told me, hey, listen, we're going to continue writing this thing to 24, 26. Oh, really? Yeah, that's right. That's where we're going to go later today. All right, sure. Give it to me. All right. So we have our target 3, 24, 26. And it could take the entire day. You all know this is our durable play, right? We already have our tempo play. We already have our sway play. We are right now locking here 33, 37 in the middle, mid-range 35. We're already locking our sway play, and now we are on our way to our durable play 24, 26 Friday, and we know that play sometimes takes the entire day, so be prepared for it. All right, so what time it is right now? It's 11:42. It's early, so, right? We still have about 45 more minutes before the official chop begins. All right, so relax, take it easy. The only thing that we have to be conscious of is we still have to be 100% focused, full on concentration, in case that our 33 destination support is so strong or it becomes even stronger than it is already. which is already pretty strong. Look at it, right? And then smart money decides to change hats back to bull. That's the only thing that we have to concern ourselves with now. That's it. That's all, right? If it happens before 11:30, then I'll be here to tell you. If it happens after that, then we know exactly what to do. All right, ladies and gentlemen, finally, Price decided to take our last support and right 33 finally, and take us to our target 326.24. We want all this. We want the price to reach our target 3 right before before 11:30, 12 noon, right? So in other words, if if even though it's a Friday and you still wanna, price just went to 28 half, right? And our target 3 is 26. That's 2.5 points below this the low of day, 28 half, right? If you still want to go to 24, I just want you to know that this 29 right here, right now, this long, it's a bullish setup. It's an Adam and Eve, all right? Adam and Eves are pretty good. So let's say the price takes this low right here, 28, right? We know that the main play is all the way to 24, and of course the double bottom 21, but for Sadico's, our target is 24, 26, right? That's our target. But because of this bullish Adam and Eve that just presented itself, that tells me that the next support is gonna be worth it to consider, right? Because that Adam and Eve, that bullish signal is usually pretty good. Of course, not at this time of day, but we all know exactly how to do this thing. All right, so I just wanted you to know that. And ladies and gentlemen, it's 11:30. It's Friday. I'm out of here. We had a terrific action today. Since I opened the mic at 9 a.m., it's unbelievable. We had every single possibility. We had it covered, and we did what we had to do. All right. So remember, measure yourself, judge yourself based on how disciplined you are. Right. Not only on being profitable, because mathematics and numbers don't lie. All right. So you gotta measure yourself both. Not like you hear a lot of measure yourself just on whether you did the right thing or not, whether it's a winner or a loser. No. It's gotta be a winner as well. Not the one trade, but at least for the day, okay, for the week, for the month, etc. All right, so you know exactly what to do. Everybody have a great weekend. I enjoy reading the market for you guys once again. I've been doing it for 20 years now. It's unbelievable, right? I opened my first room in the year 2000. It's amazing that I'm still doing it, right? I still have a lot of professional members, with me. So that's terrific. That's a great feeling. Alrighty. So do your best and be disciplined. And remember, if it's not live, real time, it's not real. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so that's price reaching our top of the target 3, right? We have it's only a 2-point range, right? Target 3, 24, 26. So just reach the top. We are in the mid range now. So target target 3 officially pretty much accomplished. Right? All right. All right. So that's the mid range 25, right? The mid range between 24 and 26. Also the mid range 25 right here. Look at that, 24.75. So plenty of room and time for you to lock 25. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so that's the low of our target 324 hit. Again, plenty of time and room for us to get comfortably out. However, we can see that the market is in a free fall, right? So pulls it out, and let's go ahead and write it to the last target, and I'm still beautiful. Look at this, all right? I'm still looking for it, all right? So stop long time ago, break evens, move it down, start trailing, start trailing, start trailing, and let's go ahead and look for our last target like we always do, right? We always want to get out 4 times. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so extended target 3 completed, 21, and we're gonna do everything in our power to let it ride all the way to 41.03. That's our last exit.